Hello, I'm Dorothy. If you follow Leadtek channel or Facebook page, you may be familiar with the term Leadtek RTX AI Software Pack. And today, we are going to show you what you can benefit from Leadtek RTX AI Software Pack. As we mentioned in previous video, current DIY AI deployment are complex and time-consuming to build, and it requires high level of expertise to manage OS, driver, library, and framework dependencies. Leadtek RTX AI Software Pack is built for AI developers to solve your problem and speed up your workflow. You don't need to be troubled by the complex installation process or system dependencies. Instead, with RTX AI Software Pack, you can save your time to focus on your AI project instead of the platform preparation. Generally, it takes 10 steps for DIY users to build an AI platform from scratch. For example, OS installation, CUDA installation, Python, and TensorFlow installation, and then test and debug. A beginner may need to read around 400 pages of documents to understand the process, and you need to download these documents and software from different websites. It's really time-consuming, and it will take you weeks or months before starting your AI project. And that's why you need Leadtek RTX AI Software Pack to save your time and cost, and boost your productivity. RTX AI Software Pack is full-stack GPU-accelerated software solution which have been tested and optimized for AI deployment. It incorporated the OS, GPU driver, CUDA library, and deep learning and machine learning SDK. It's a full-stack package, so you don't need to browse on different websites to collect driver or SDK. We integrated 12 mainstream deep learning and machine learning frameworks, including the most familiar frameworks, most popular framework, TensorFlow among enterprises, and PyTorch in education. In addition, RTX AI Software Pack also contains NVIDIA Rabbit's GPU-accelerated platform. In the past, GPU only benefited deep learning process, and now we can utilize GPU resources with Rabbits to provide a much more smooth workflow through GPU-accelerated data processing and increased model accuracy through faster iteration and more frequent deployment. The dependencies of each deep learning SDK are tested and optimized to save your time on installation and provide you a scalable AI environment. RTX AI Software Pack is a perfect tool for deep learning, machine learning, and data science. It can help you to speed up your workflow and accelerate data processing, model training, and visualization. Works right out of the box for AI deployment. I like to highlight one key function is system recovery. While you purchase a new RTX AI workstation, you won't find any question for a period of time. And then, the AI developers may start to download new SDK for testing. Any update has chance to break all the software, and it's difficult for developers to find out which software versions are complete. In this case, system recovery function can provide you a clean AI environment in a snap, and you don't need to install all the software all over again from the beginning. With this function, AI developers can minimize the risk of software crash and resume your AI project quickly. So you can see the user interface is quite intuitive, and we also share RTX AI Software Utility user guide on the Leadtek AI forum. You can find out more details there. If you have any AI-related questions, you can also leave a message on the forum, and the Leadtek AI expert will answer your question. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.